హాయ్ హలో గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ ఎవ్రీవన్ వెల్కమ్ టు డీడీసీ ఛానల్. ఈరోజు ఈ డీడీసీ ఛానల్ లోపల మా స్కూల్లో 9th క్లాస్ చదువుతున్నటువంటి జెసికా అనేటువంటి అమ్మాయి యూపీఎస్సీ ఎగ్జామ్కి సంబంధించినటువంటి ప్యాటర్న్ గురించి, మరియు ఎగ్జామ్ ఎన్ని మార్కులు కండక్ట్ చేస్తారు, క్యాస్ట్ వైజ్గా ఎన్ని అటెంప్ట్స్ ఉంటాయి, మరియు ఎగ్జామ్కి సంబంధించినటువంటి సిలబస్ గురించి పూర్తిగా డీటెయిల్డ్గా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడం అనేది జరిగింది. కాబట్టి ఈ వీడియోని మీరు లాస్ట్ వరకు చూడండి. ఎవరైనా యూపీఎస్సీకి ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యేటువంటి వాళ్ళు మీ చుట్టుపక్కల ఉన్న, మీ ఇంట్లో ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి ఒక వీడియోని షేర్ చేయండి. వీడియో ఇక్కడ అప్లోడ్ చేయడం జరిగింది, అందరూ చూసేటువంటి ప్రయత్నం చేయండి.
Jessica from 9th class, Geetam School from Jetchala. I want to become an IAS officer. If you want to become an IAS officer, what is the examination you needed to write, and what is the examination pattern? We will try to understand in this video. The UPSC examination, its abbreviation was U stands for Union, P stands for Public, S stands for Service, and C stands for Commission. Union Public Service Commission is the abbreviation of UPSC examination. For you to write the UPSC examination, the qualification was degree of any university. You have to qualify the degree of any university. The age limit was there, and the age to write the UPSC examination was there. No, we have to try know about that. You needed to write the UPSC examination on the age of 29 years. 29 years. The age limit was 32 years. You need to write the UPSC examination on 21 years, and the age limit was 32 years. And there are different number of attempts and for different number of categories. Let's know about that. For general category, there are 6 attempts. For EWS, there are also 6 attempts. And for other backward classes, there are 9 attempts was there. So overall, the attempts for different categories were there. Now we have to understand the UPSC examination pattern. The UPSC examination pattern has in 3 stages: prelims, mains, or interview. There are 3 stages, that are prelims, mains, and interview. Let's know all about these prelims, mains, and interview. First, we will try to understand about prelims. It is offline, and it is written in MCQ, multiple choice questions. It is divided into 2 papers. Paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 is the syllabus is General Science 1. We have General Science 1 for 200 marks. In the time of 2 hours. You have to write in a 2 hours exactly 2 hours time, and the total questions were 100 questions. For every correct answers there are plus marks are there. For every incorrect answers there are minus marks are there. In paper 2, the syllabus was General Science 2 with the maths and mental ability. There are total 80 questions for 200 marks. Yeah, we need to written in 2 hours of time. The prelims was not taken into merit list. These are only qualifying papers. We have to qualify the minimum 33% in both in both papers, and the total marks of prelims was 400 marks. These are only qualifying papers. Now we will try to understand about mains. Mains also divided into several papers. In mains also there are two qualifying papers. Paper A and paper A and paper B. Paper A, the exam was in any Indian language. For 300 marks, we have to return it in 3 hours of time. The paper A is conducting in any Indian language for 300 marks. We need to return in 3 hours. And paper B. Paper B is conducting the subject of English. This is also same 300 marks in the time of 3 hours. These are paper A and paper B are only qualifying papers only. Now we have to understand the mains examination. There are total 7 papers, and this is not written in MCQs. This is descriptive. First, paper A. For paper 1. Paper 1 in the syllabus of essay writing. For 250 marks in 3 hours of time. Paper 1 on the conducting of essay writing for 250 marks in 3 hours of time. And paper 2. Paper 2 conducting on the syllabus of General Science 1, and for 250 marks in 3 hours of time. This is all about the paper 1 and paper 2. Now we will go for paper 3 and paper 4. Paper 3 is conducting on the subject of General Science 2. For same 250 marks in 3 hours of time. It is conducting on the subject of General Science 2 for 250 marks in 3 hours of time. Paper 4. Paper 4 conducting on the subject of General Science 3 for 250 marks in 3 hours of time. This is all about the paper 3 and paper 4. Now we will go for paper 5. Paper 5. Paper 5 on the syllabus of General Science 4 for 250 marks in 3 hours of time. Paper 5 is conducting on the syllabus of General Science 4 for 250 marks in 3 hours of time. And paper 6 and paper 7 are conducting on our optional subjects. There are 26 optional subjects. Paper 7, paper 6. It is an optional subject optional subject for 250 marks in 3 hours of time. It is a paper route for optional subject. Optional subject is dividing into 2 papers. Paper A is for 250 marks in 3 hours of time.